back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting video for y'all. We're gonna we're gonna be trying chicken snack wraps from different restaurants. Also fuck McDonald's because they took their snack wraps away, and so everybody else was like, "We're gonna do snack wraps," and so I'm going to be trying the best ones and letting y'all know which ones
Worldwide.
the major fast food
Yep.
franchises, anyways. So we're gonna start. Let me see.
Sorry, Burger King since there's only one.
There's only one for Buffalo Wild Wings too.
Okay.
We're gonna start with Buffalo Wild Wings. So this is what we got. What it looks like, y'all. Oops, one. Hold on. Why is it stuck? Oh, they put a toothpick through it. Okay.
Keep this up.
I don't need it.
Okay, for your other.
I was just gonna give it back to you.
No, I'm already difficult.
Yeah, he is difficult.
Wait, what flavor was this?
Mm-mm. Maybe keeping the receipts would have been smart. I kind of like it. Wait, is it the same thing? Is it the same thing?
You just cut it in half.
It's a little dry, but whatever sauce we got. Oh, we got garlic parmesan.
That's what it is. Back of my head.
I get this like a 6. Let me stop. Don't finish.
Give it a 7. I'm not.
Okay.
If you was fresh, probably a 6. I mean a 5. I give you a 5.
Right. Okay. So next we got Burger King. No, I don't eat Burger King. Just a disclaimer. So.
Are that's the one you most happy about?
No, I'm a little scared because I fucking hate Burger King. I'm also a little scared because they put honey mustard in the bag.
I love turning my back to the world.
This is so little. This little ass.
Compared to your pinky.
I couldn't even get 2 pinkies in here. It's honey mustard. I didn't get no meat in that bite. The meat is in the middle, and it's like hella
small
tortilla.
The tortilla much softer.
How much was that?
Too much for this nasty ass shit. $2.99.
Oh, yeah, that's little as hell. And it didn't taste very good. Hell no. Fuck no, actually.
I don't want to waste it.
Oh.
I mean, not that I like it, man.
Go ahead. You like the honey mustard sauce?
Cool.
So they gave us 2 in here. No?
Okay.
Who do you want
I
to try?
get a 4.
Yeah. I'll give it a 3. Who do you want to try?
Too hardy since that's the one we got first.
Okay. So in California we have Carl Jr. and I've already had the Diablo flavor. Which one did you get?
It's written on there.
Huh?
Honey mustard. Oh no.
Yeah, this one's spicy. I guess we both gonna try a bite of each. Mine is smaller. This one is smaller. But
I hate when they do spicy and it's a sauce. Like, make the bread and spicy. This ain't no damn wrap. It's a damn taco. Want to show this? Is it in the?
Mine tastes like Christmas.
They tenders got a lot of meat.
I had the honey mustard one.
Mm.
You get what I mean? It tastes like Christmas. I don't like this. This one,
Sure tastes like
I give it a 3. Honestly, I'm
somebody had a foot race in the street barefoot, and then they picked up that dirt with their hands and just sprinkled it on the sandwich. Hell no.
You gonna finish this
Get
one?
this out my face. I'm too bougie for that. Give me the other one. I need to taste it.
This? The spicy one?
You want to finish it?
No, you want to finish it?
I thought it was 3. Oh, no, that
No, it's 2. Honestly, I'm going to have to try Carl Jr. again because literally I've had the Carl Jr. ones in my state and they were really good. Like I actually like crave them. So, Cardi, I don't know what the fuck you got going on, but that shit was nasty. 3. Maybe no, 2.
Yeah. I only want to rank her.
Okay. We're going to try Sonic next.
So I got nothing nice to say about her. It's 2 in there, but like
Why is it 3?
one got queso.
Why is it 3?
It's 3?
Yeah.
Y'all don't say. That's not a wrap. That's
What
like
is
just
this?
a damn tortilla. What is this?
What is it?
This baby has.
Who is that?
Oh, it's a wrap.
Okay, so
They gave us 3. That's the one that's for me.
you got
That's
the
the
Frito
queso
one.
one. No, that's not fucking
That's
Frito.
Frito.
No, they got crunch on it.
So what is this?
I don't know what that is. That's the extra one.
Oh.
They gave us 2. 2 of the bacon ones.
Okay. All right.
Toast.
Mm.
The chicken good.
I feel like I didn't get no meat in my plate. I was like, hello, tortilla.
Five.
5 because I don't like the cheese. No, 4. I don't like the cheese.
It's sliced.
You see what?
They got sliced cheese.
Yeah, I don't want that.
When they literally have shredded cheese up there.
It's hella salty too. What you get? Oh, this your queso one.
Just bite it.
I don't want more cheese. Fine. For 0.
Okay. This is bacon queso. No, it's crunch queso. Mm-hmm. How they dry and wet at the same time? Why am I choking?
Well,
They taste so good.
no, it's not.
I give it 3.
Tastes like somebody burped in my mouth.
Okay. I can use somebody burping in your mouth.
Anyway, last but not least, we have the new Popeyes chicken wrap. I ordered 3 because I'm an OG.
Oh God, here we go.
I'm an OG Popeyes eater. And I remember when they used to have the snack wraps with the red beans and rice that was like $1. And that literally got me through the times when I was I think this is that one for that. So I got me an extra one for that. But that got me through back when I was playing volleyball and I didn't have a whole lot of money. This is your blackened. He got the blackened one. He gonna let y'all know what that's talking about. And then I got honey mustard.
Why is it cold? Like they took it out the fridge. They wrapped it good.
Yeah, they did.
I just know it's gonna be good.
Okay. Hell no to this pickle.
Yeah, take that bullshit pickle off. It's cold, but like mine's cold.
It's cold, yeah.
It's good, but it's cold. Like it's cold.
A good bite without that pickle.
And it's big ass pickle.
It's cold. Nothing to write home about. I don't really taste the honey mustard sauce though.
Yeah, they just played in that kitchen. They didn't do nothing but get some new tortillas. And I love a blackened chicken strip.
Let me taste yours, you know.
You can't even taste the chicken.
No, I can't taste it.
And it's really, it got flavor to it, but you can't taste it all.
I taste it a little bit.
No, you can't. But I said you can't.
So why not say I can?
I don't know. Why are you saying that? Am I going to try that one? Like, here you go.
You got it.
I can tell. Why you watch me bite that?
It's flavorless, I'm not gonna lie. It's not nasty.
They just threw a chicken tender on the tortilla and said, here, we got a new item.
I really can't taste the honey mustard either. Actually, I'll get a support.
Oh, that damn mayonnaise in mine. It's like damn eating a mayonnaise taco.
Honestly, the best one, surprisingly, out of all of them, is Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah. It's probably because we had that garlic parm on there. Oh, that was underwhelming.
All the other flavors were honey mustard.
That's all we got. I need my money back, man.
Yeah, I was.
We should have tasted them as we went.
What do you mean?
While they was hot.
I had attitude. I had to pee. Oh, anyway, that's all I got for y'all.
What we doing after this video?
Can I end the video?
Yeah, but what we doing after? Let's tell them what we finna do after this video.
What do you want to do after the video? Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
Sure.
Bumbo.
I'm leaving all this in the video, by the way.
Okay, chill.
Thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all.
Imagine I just choked.
I will see y'all in the next video.
Remember when you fell in the shower?
I never fell in the shower.
Now you can end it. But you remember when you fell in the shower, right? As long as in the video. As long as you can end it. But you remember. Remember you fell in the shower and then you dropped the shampoo bottle to replicate you falling on the shower. And then you in the video. I don't. But you remember you fell in the shower, right?
No, I never fell in the shower.
It's still going. In here, bro.
Remember you fell on that lady porch?
Okay. Got ARPs and Glock jams, don't trip, it's plenty poles. Swing the back door, I'm the back end, bitch, I'm throwing foes. Shorty throwing foes, I'm throwing balls back out and overthrow.